Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be showcasing a few more entries. I'm trying to catch up, you guys, but unpackaging all this stuff and filming it is quite of an ordeal, but I'm trying. So therefore, if you sent me an entry, you haven't seen it, it's coming up, you guys. It's coming up. I'm doing little by little. So today I'm just going to do a few because I have a tutorial that I want to film for you guys. So I'm just going to do a few today and then I'll do the rest over the weekend. So let's get on with the first one. I'll do these little envelopes first. This one is from Susan Tucker, and she sent me these super cute little embellishments. Look how cute. It's like a little cake. It's like a die cut, a little cake stand with a little cake in the middle. She's got some little teacups here and a little tea kettle. How cute is that? Very shabby chic. She did do a VR. I have it posted on my community tab. So if you want to go check it out, definitely go do that. Subscribe and show Susan some love. Let me see here. She sent me a cute little card. So pretty. Absolutely love it. So cute. Did you draw this or like stamp it? It's so pretty. I like that. Has a little note, which is for me, you guys. But this is Susan's entry. Super cute embellishments. Thank you so much, Susan, for entering my challenge and participating in the fun. Next one is from Felicia Andrews. And let me see if she left me. Oh, it moved around. Let me fix it up, you guys, before I show you. Because you know how sometimes things move around in the post office and transit. And I'm sure that's not how you guys want it to look. So these are Felicia's first embellishments. How pretty are those? A little file folder. We have 2 file folders and these cute, this is like little clips. And like a little frame. Isn't that cute? So we have those. She sent quite a few, you guys. She sent these. Love is blind. Love that dare not speak its name. And then this is the opposite side. So cute. Let me move this way. I zoomed you guys in so you can really see the embellishments. There's this one right here. And this one right here. How cute is that little pinwheel? So cute. And then there's 2 more on the other side. So we have another pinwheel. And then we have this one right here. She sent so many. And then she sent these cute little hearts. Aren't they cute? Simple and delicate. I love it. So those are Felicia Andrews. I don't know if she has an Instagram because I don't see it. She didn't put a card or anything. But thank you so much for your entry. I love your little embellishments. And then I have another package. This one is from Bonnie Myers. And here's what Bonnie sent over. And she sent over some ornament hangings. I'm going to take them out so you guys can see them. These are like some little vintage ornament hangings, which are so cute. You can put these on like your bag toppers, or you can just add them to your like projects. Your why can't I think of the name? Here we go. What do you call those? Like tag flips or anything like that, like a little charm. You can use them. You can unbead them off the wire. So many uses. These are so pretty, very vintage looking. Ooh, look at that. So thank you so much for those, Bonnie. And Bonnie also sent this little package right here. And she sent her embellishments in these little, kind of like little pockets that she made. This is what they look like. And let's open up the first one. So in the first one, she has kind of like a little clip flag that looks like this. And then there's a cute little bow. How pretty is that? So that's in the first little pocket that looks like this. The second one has a rosette, which looks like this. Super pretty. And then the next one is kind of like a little banner that looks like that. And I love how she made little pockets for everything. Everything is in a little folder of its own. And then the last one, we have this super cute embellishment right here. And then I think, oh, there's one more. Another little, oh, I remember I made these a while back. These are super fun. And that is the last embellishment in this little pocket. So thank you so much, Bonnie, for entering my challenge and participating. So I'm going to put these back in here because I don't want to lose anything. And then the last entry is from Veronica Hernandez. She's Too Sweet Crafts. And this is so cute, you guys. She used the same collection that I'm going to be giving away in this giveaway. And I thought that was super cute. So the first thing she made was this little, I feel like I got to zoom back a little bit. Hold on. It might be a little too, okay. She made this cute little like beach bag. Look how pretty this is, you guys. She has some little charms right here. See, you can do stuff like this with these things. You can unwrap them out of the wire or use the wire and put them and clip them onto any little project. Look at that. And inside, she put a bunch of little like die cuts, which are so cute. We have some flowers. She got some butterflies. I'm dropping them all over the place. Cute little heart. More flowers and butterflies and a star. And those were all inside this super cute little goodie bag. I need to try and make one of these because it is adorable. Look at that. Too cute. And then you guys, oh, there's another little flower right here that fell off. And then she made me this rosette, which looks like this. I love the little pocket that she made for it. Here's the little pocket, the little envelope. And then the rosette is made out of vellum. Isn't that pretty? Look how cute that is. I love that. And then it goes right in this little place right here. So that was her other embellishment. And like, if that wasn't enough, she made the cutest little book out of acetate. And I think this is the same acetate that I used to make my little bag. But look at this little charm right here on the book. It's like a little mini embellishment book. She decorated the cover like that with a little shaker. And look, you guys, look at this embellishment. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. So cute. I want to make a big version of this. I love how it shakes. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I absolutely love it. And like I said, that is from Veronica, and she is Too Sweet Crafts. Thank you so much, girlie, for entering my challenge. And thank you guys for sending in your entries. That's going to be it for today. Make it quick because we're already at 9 minutes. I will continue to do more entries this weekend, so definitely stay tuned for that. I want to work on a tutorial, so definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.